Brief body scan. Let's get ready. Turn off your cell phone. Tell your family that you'll be quiet for the next 15 minutes for some me time. Lie or sit in a comfortable position. Try the body scan lying in bed or on the floor while sitting on the bus or as a passenger in a car. Attitude is important. Imagine as you tour your body that you are taking a tour of a museum that is filled with things that interest you. Some of them you like a lot, some of them you might not like. That's okay. The point of this tour is simply to see what's there. Before we start, set your intention for the tour of your body. Promise to be your own friend, being open and friendly to what you find on this tour. If you don't see or like what you find, admit this to yourself, and also see if you can look at it or feel it anyway. Use skills of observing and describing. For instance, cool toes, pressure in the lower back, tight jaw. Now let's get comfortable so that we can begin. We'll be touring our body part by part from the inside, experiencing what is there, hot, cold, pressure, tense, relaxed sensations. We're not trying to make anything happen, just noticing what's on the tour today. Every day it will be different. Once you get settled, there's no need to move anymore. Just relax. Allow yourself to be exactly as you are, and begin directing your attention to your stomach and belly, your abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of the breath, inhaling in and exhaling out. Inhaling deeply and exhaling softly. Inhaling here and exhaling now. Give your full attention to each breath. Now beginning to shift your focus of your attention to the toes of the left foot. Just taking your mind and moving it from your belly all the way down the left leg to the left foot. There may be sensations of tingling or moisture, or itching or warmth. Whatever they are, it is not important, but just feeling your toes as they are. And if you find that you're registering a blank when you tune into this area of your body, then just feel not feeling. Experience what is, without trying to create anything. Letting go of the toes and beginning to move to the heel. Notice the touch and pressure of the heel on the floor. Breathing in and out, notice any feelings in the heel. Now drawing your attention to the top of the left foot, and whatever feelings or lack of feelings there are in this area of your body. Not so much thinking about your foot as just being there with it, feeling it, letting it become your sole focus. As you breathe in and out, let your foot breathe with you. Breathing in and breathing out. Allowing your body to relax into a deeper state of stillness and awareness. There's nothing to do right now, nowhere to go, but just being aware. And now beginning to draw your attention to the left lower leg, just as it is. Feeling the place where the leg touches the floor noticing any sensation or feelings in the leg. Allow yourself to invite your breath to the left leg. With each exhale, sink even deeper into the floor as you let go. Letting the focus now move up to the left knee. Feeling the knee, the kneecap and sides and back of the knee, and deep into the joint of the knee. Just experiencing your left knee, breathing with it, and on an out breath, just letting it dissolve. Continuing your scan into the left thigh, just above the knee, the outside and deep inside, all the way up to the hip and groin. Just experiencing your left thigh as it touches the bed, chair, or mat, letting it be as soft and relaxed as possible. If there's any tension, allowing it to be released with the exhale. Breathing with your thigh. And now let's move over to the right leg. Becoming aware of the feelings in the right toes, the toes of the right foot. Try to do this without wiggling or moving the toes. Just feeling the sensations of the big toe and the little toe and all the other toes in between. Breathing, directing the in-breaths down into the foot and right to the toes. And on the out-breath, just let the breath come up from the toes right out through the nose. Not judging, not worrying, just breathing. And when you are ready, taking a deeper breath in down into the toes. And on the out-breath, just letting your toes dissolve in the field of awareness. Let your attention gently move to the top of the foot and to the ankle. Breathing in and breathing out. Experiencing this area of your body, and when you're ready, just letting it go. Letting it relax and soften and dissolving in your mind's eye. Allow your attention to begin to move to the lower right leg. We don't usually pay a lot of attention to this part of our body, but it supports us in everything that we do. Now bringing your full attention and breath to this area of the body. With each exhale, allowing the leg to melt and release into the floor. And become aware of your right knee. Breathing down into the knee, and on the out-breath, letting go of the knee as well. Continuing your scan into the right thigh. The entire region of the right thigh, from the upper leg, between the hip and pelvis, all the way down to the knee. Feeling your right thigh, any sensation as it rests on the bed, chair, or mat. Try to be as clear as you can about what you're experiencing. Feeling these sensations, whether they be of warmth, or tingling, or heaviness, or lightness, blood flow, whatever it is that you're experiencing. Just sensing, feeling your thigh as it is. And now becoming aware of the pelvis. The entire region of your pelvis from one hip to the other. Aware of the areas where your body is contacted with the floor or mat. Feel the sensation of contact and weight, or perhaps heaviness. Breathing in and out with the entirety of your pelvis. Directing your breath to this area of the body as you sink into an even deeper state of relaxed awareness and stillness. totally present with each moment. There is nothing to do right now, nowhere to go, except being here now. And direct your attention now to the lower back, to that region that connects up with the pelvis and comes out of the pelvis. And letting the breath really penetrate this area of the body. And on the out breath, just letting go of any tension or tightness, any holding or any intensity. Just be there and flow with the out breath to the extent that it will. As you breathe out, just letting go of the lower back. And now moving to the upper back. Just feeling the sensations in this region, breathing with them. You may even feel your rib cage around your back as well as in your front expand on each breath. Be aware of your ribs all the way around to your spine, and any tension or tightness or tiredness that you may feel in the upper back region or central back region. Just letting them dissolve and move out with the out-breath as you let go and sink even deeper into stillness and relaxation. Allowing your attention to shift to the stomach again as you experience the rise and falling of your stomach as you breathe. Just allowing your awareness to expand from the belly in the front of the body to the chest as well. Feeling the movements of your diaphragm, that umbrella-like muscle that separates your stomach from your chest, from your heart and your lungs. And just for a moment, experiencing the chest as it expands on the in-breath and contracts somewhat on the out-breath. And if you can, tuning into the rhythmic beating of your heart within your chest. Feeling it, if you can, as well as the lungs expanding on either side of the heart. Nourishing every part of your body, every organ, every tissue, oxygenated blood each time the heart pumps blood throughout the body. Just experiencing your chest and your stomach as you lie there. And the muscles on the chest wall, the entirety of the front of your body. Breathing in, and as you breathe out, allowing this region of your body to melt, dissolve. Allowing your attention to move to the fingertips of both hands. Just becoming aware of sensations now in the tips of the fingers, the thumbs. You may feel pulsing or blood flow. You may feel dampness or warmth. Whatever you feel, allow that to be. Just feeling your fingers, the sides of them, the backs of your fingers. Letting your field of awareness expand to include the palms of your hands, and the backs of your hands, and the wrists. And here again, maybe picking up the pulse in your wrist as the blood flows to and from your hands. Becoming aware as well of the forearms and the elbows. Any and all sensations, regardless of discomfort or problems, just experiencing your body as it is. And now allowing your field of awareness to include the upper arms right up to the armpits and shoulders. Shoulders can hold so much tension, giving particular space for releasing in the shoulders. Breathing in and breathing out. Letting go of the tension and letting go of your arms all the way from the fingertips to the shoulders themselves as you sink even deeper into a state of relaxed observation and awareness. And now let the focus of your attention move on to the neck, to the back of the neck and the spine, feeling the entirety of this region of the body. Breathing in down into the neck intentionally, and on the out breath, just letting go of the neck as well, letting it relax and dissolve in your mind's eye. And becoming aware of your face, another area of the body that holds an enormous amount of tension. Any sensations in the hinge region of the jaw. Breathing with this region, and on the out breath, when you are ready, just letting it dissolve. Becoming aware of your lips and your mouth, the teeth and the gums, your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Becoming aware of the back of the mouth and the throat, and just breathing with this region, and the sensations and feelings of your mouth and lips and cheeks, and on the out breath, just letting go. And becoming aware of your nose, your nostrils, warm, moist air breathing out, cooler, drier air breathing in. Just being aware of yourself as your breathing moves in and out through your nose. Become aware of your eyes and the eyebrows and the space between the eyebrows. The entire area around your eyes and the eyelids, allowing yourself to relax as all the muscles of your face just let go. Being aware, breathing in, nourishing your face, asking it to relax and dissolve into relaxation and stillness. And now, becoming aware of your forehead, your skull, back of the head. Imagine that the top of your head can open like the blowhole of a whale, and that you can breathe right from the top of your head, breathing in and out right through the top of your head, imagining that you are breathing from the top of your head all the way down to the bottoms of your feet. Experience your entire body breathing. And as you lie here, open to things just as they are in each moment. And knowing that this attitude and this stillness itself is healing. Allowing and acknowledging the world to be as it is, beyond our personal fears and concerns, beyond the tendency of the mind to control or want things to be a certain way, just experiencing what is with your breath. And as you feel ready, very gently beginning to wiggle your toes and fingers as you leave this body scan experience, but retaining in your heart and mind the openness that you felt, the interest that you showed in your body and your experience. Take another minute or two here to transition back to the next part of your day, trying to keep some part of the peace in your heart with you. End body scan.